Hey everybody, my name is Shane Misuro, and this is my introductory recording for hypertext and hypermedia. I have taught in Pennsylvania for 15 years. I teach juniors and seniors in high school mostly. Sometimes I get a sophomore as well. I teach a little bit of an unusual subject. I teach marine science and botany. I teach at in a public school. I teach at North Penn High School, which is kind of a suburb outside of Philadelphia. It's the largest 10 through 12 high school in Pennsylvania. We have about 1,000 kids per grade, which is the reason why we are able to have electives in high school like marine science and botany. Along with that, I also manage about 1,000 gallons of salt water and freshwater tanks, and I manage a industrial greenhouse that the students work with as part of the course, as well as part of various clubs that I have and different things like that. In terms of hypertext and hypermedia, the main thing that I think is important is the ability to draw out interconnectivity and through lines through content. And this is what I mean. If you're reading a book and you come across like a buzzword that links or connects two different topics together, you can't click, obviously, on the text of that book in order to go more in depth on what that buzzword is and what the connectivity is between those two topics. Hypertext and hypermedia lets a user or a learner actually interact with the material and effortlessly dive deeper and deeper and deeper into a particular subject. No one reads just one Wikipedia article, in other words. Like, everyone reads the first Wikipedia article and then they end up clicking on one of the blue words and learning something else. So you get, through hypertext and hypermedia, you get a much better idea of how different topics are connected and what that connection is and how they interplay and interact with each other. In other words, you get a much more conclusive and comprehensive understanding of any one topic, which is important due to the complexity of topics that we deal with in everyday life. How much I know about hypertext and hypermedia, to be honest, I Googled it just as a general definition before this class even started, just trying to figure it out. I think basically, I learned that it was, the blue words and kind of these interactivities. And I thought it was interesting that you can have an entire class based on the blue words in Wikipedia. But once I started reading the syllabus, I began understanding that, although that is one form of hypertext and hypermedia, it goes much deeper than that. And it's a much more important topic because it deals with learners learning more, which is always what we want to do. So that's it. I look forward to working with everybody, and smash that subscribe button, turn the button from red to gray.